Welcome to Quality Branding Hub. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer, and the civil engineer who are working in the construction field. In this channel, we are dealing with anything and everything which is required to get success in the construction. Today also, I'm going to discuss about a very important topics, and that is composite cement. What is composite cement, why it is used, and what is the IS code for that, and what is the chemical and physical properties. Today's video I will discuss each and everything about this, so stay tuned until the end to get the full information about the composite cement. So first things, we need to know which code, which Indian standard we need to follow for the composite cement. Here it is, IS 16415 2015, reaffirmed in 2020, and it is a specification for composite cement. So this code we need to follow whenever we are dealing with any type of composite cement. The first reference is terminology. First, what is called is that what is composite cement, that we need to know. Why it is called composite? An intimately interground mixture of Portland cement clinker, granulated slag and fly ash with addition of gypsum, natural or chemical, or an intimate and uniform blending of ordinary Portland cement, finely ground granular slag and fine fly ash with addition of normal gypsum. Now here it is not only the Portland cement clinker, what it is GGBS, granulated slag and fly ash and the gypsum. So that is why it's called the composite cement, because it is not only made from the Portland clinker, but it is also containing similar items, that is the slags, fly ash, gypsum, etc. So it is become the composite one. See, nowadays whenever we are doing mixed design, we are always using cement along with GGBS, fly ash, microsilica, etc. Why? Because it is all GGBS, fly ash is all are the byproduct, and what we are using the byproduct and the waste of industry. So we are for the sustainable construction, but in the cement itself we are adding that one, and we are calling it the composite cement. So it is again a sustainable construction. So what is called the granulated slag? The slag is in granulated form is used for the manufacture of hydraulic cement. Slag is a non-metallic product consisting essentially of glass containing silicates and aluminum silicates of lime and other bases, as in the case of blast furnace slags, which is developed simultaneously with iron in blast furnace or electric pig iron furnace. So from where it will be coming, that is the iron slags are the pig iron slags. Granulated slag is obtained by further processing the molten slag by rapidly chilling or quenching it with the water or steamed and air. So they are also saying what is granulated slag in 3.2 it is mentioning. So what is the raw material for the preparation of composite cement? First is the granulated slag. It is conforming to IS 12081, and again I have made a detailed video on that, the GGBS, what is GGBS, what is the properties. If you want to know, please check again, the link is there or in the description, you will get the full information. So first raw material is the granulated slag. Now what is next is fly ash. Again, fly ash used in the manufacture of composite cement shall conforming IS 3812 part 1. There are two parts, part 1 and part 2. The use of coarser fly ash as per note under table 2 of IS 3812 part 1 shall also be permitted in case of manufacture of composite cement by intergrinding process. So fly ash, that is also should be conforming IS 3812 part 1. Now what is fly ash, what is the chemical and physical properties of the fly ash? I have made a detailed video, link is there or in the description, please check, you will get the full information. So the raw material is GGBS and the fly ash. Then Portland cement clinker, it is the main ingredient for the cement production. The Portland cement clinker is used in the manufacture of Portland cement shall conforming IS 16353. Then Portland cement for blending for manufacturing of cement as per this standard shall conform to IS 269. So Portland cement clinker, Portland cement, GGBS and fly ash. Now material, now these are all we are mixing and we are making the composite cement. So here in the table 1 is the material proportion to be used in composite cement. So what will be the material proportion to make the composite cement or the production of the composite cement? That is also is given. See, Portland cement clinker or ordinary Portland cement is 35 to 65%, fly ash 15 to 35%, granulated slag 20 to 50%. Chemical gypsum shall be added provided that the performance requirement of fine product as specified in the standard are met with. So these are the proportion that is also given. So whenever we are making in the manufacturing plant the composite cement, the proportion of the raw material should be like this. The next part is what is the chemical requirements of the composite cement. See, this is very much important, that what percentage of chemical percentage will be there. So here it is given insoluble residue percentage by max is equal to x plus 4.1 x divided by 100, or minimum is 0.6x, where x is the declared percent of pozzolana in the given composite cement. So x is the percent of pozzolana we are using. That from here you need to find, and insoluble residue will be maximum this and minimum 0.6. Then magnesia percentage by mass, that is 8. Total sulfur content calculated as sulfuric acid, that is 3.5. Sulfite 0.75 is max. Loss on ignition is 0.5, and chloride content percent by max is 1 point, and then alkali content 0.05 for priestess structure. Okay, so this the about the chemical requirement. Now, what is the physical requirement? Whenever we are making concrete or the cement, there is a physical properties and the chemical properties. So these are the chemical properties in table 2 of the same code, IS 16415 2015. Now in physical properties is saying it is in table 3. See, let's see in the table 3. This is the table 3. So in table 3 it is giving what is the mechanical or the physical properties. So in cement, what we are checking, that the fineness, soundness, setting time, compressive strength, and drying shrinkage and transverse strength. So here it is, the fineness is meter square by kg, the minimum should be 300. So it's given that fineness is minimum 300. Above 300 is okay, but it should not go below the 300. Then soundness of the cement, if we are making by La Chatelier method, maximum is 10, and by autoclave test method maximum is 0.8. So whenever you are getting the MTC or the manufacturer test certificate for the composite cement, you need to verify all this data, that whether it is as per IS 16415 or not, that we need to check. Then the setting time, initial is 300 and final is maximum 600. So 330 minutes is minimum for the initial setting time, and the final setting time is maximum 600. Next is compressive strength. Now it is very much important to know that compressive strength of the composite cement. What will be the compressive strength? So what I'm saying is minimum in 72 hours is 16 MPa, 160 hours in 22 MPa, and 620, that means 28 days in 33. So this grade of the composite cement is 33. Is above 33 is code is not given any provision for that. It is given that minimum percentage is 33. So as we have the OPC 33, 43 and 53, but here it is saying that mid 33. And what is the drying shrinkage? 0.15, and transverse strength in 3.4. So this about the all about the composite cement. So what is composite cement? What is the raw material for proper preparation of composite cement? What is the material proportion to be used in the composite cement? What is the chemical properties, and what is the physical properties of the composite cement? So why you are using composite cement? That it is a sustainable construction. We are using GGB granulated slag, we are using what is called fly ash, that are all the byproducts, and it is a waste. So if we are not using that, it has to deposit it in the earth. So the soil quality, water quality, and the air quality will deteriorate. So in order to make our environment for our habitable zone, we are using that one, so it's become the sustainable construction. So that is why this composite cement is very much important to use in your project whenever it that can be used. So these are all about the composite cement. I hope you find it useful, and if you find it useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video you will get immediate notification. And without wasting time, I'm waiting for your valuable comments, so that from your valuable comment everybody will be benefited. And if you want to know anything more about quality control and construction, please let me know. I will come with more content like this. And thank you once again for watching me.